is our awesome Skywalker. And Skywalkers have a reputation, the landing gears are way too big, for the tail falling off. So when people come in and land hard, they break their tail off. So to help avoid this, we put an arrow on here, an archery arrow, a carbon rod arrow to strengthen it up. It works really good. So that's going to help us when we have straight on impacts. But we had one problem. When we were coming into land, the tail just bent all the way over like this. We anticipated that by using this piece of plywood going up through here and then into the tail and riveted to something in there. I can see it. But that's really helped brace stuff. In a hard landing, we put that bracing to the test, and the tail stayed on.
Wow.
What we see other people do is put some carbon bracing down on the sides, right here, and down here, and we'll use the arrow or plywood, and we think that's probably a good idea. As you can see on the Skya, we use that bracing too, and it works pretty good. We might do that to our Skywalker. Go find out for RCDOX!